Understanding, skin up, unveiling a slang phrase. Hello dear viewers. In today's video, we will be exploring the English slang phrase, skin up. If you're curious about its origins, meaning, and how to use it, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. This phrase is predominantly used in the UK and has its roots in street slang. While the term skin can have many meanings in English, when combined with up, it takes on a specific context. When someone says skin up, they are usually referring to the act of rolling a cigarette or a joint. Skin refers to the rolling paper, and up indicates the action of rolling. This term is mostly related to the world of smoking and can be linked to either tobacco or cannabis. For instance, do you want to skin up before we go out? I've run out of papers to skin up. It's essential to understand that this term may not be appropriate in all contexts, especially formal ones, due to its association with smoking. To ensure you're using skin up correctly, here are some examples. 1. Can you skin up for me? I'm terrible at rolling. 2. We were about to skin up when the rain started. 3. I forgot to buy more skins, so I can't skin up right now. Remember, while it's interesting to learn slang phrases, it's equally crucial to understand the cultural and contextual settings where they can be used. And that wraps up our quick exploration of the phrase, skin up. We hope you found this video enlightening and that it added a fun, new term to your English vocabulary arsenal. Always remember to use slang responsibly and understand its context. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the vast world of the English language.